it's actually three pillars. One pillar is the infertility, the other one is actually the reduction of milk yield, and the next one is the abortion. And unfortunately, a lot of these infections go with relatively mild clinical symptoms while the milk yield is going down. The animals are not feeling well. Or if it's very acute, then you spread the disease through the herd. So there are even calculations on how big the economic impact is, and so the farmers should take precautions and do something to prevent infection with leptospirosis or contamination with leptospirosis in their farm or in their herd.